The voice note goes something like this.
I said, dog, can't believe the bomb backlad. When I met the boy near FOOTA hype, get to a star. You know, say a candle and all of that. Dog, I want to him, dog. Can't no star. I'm the outside. I wait for him to bring the ball come, make a run the batch up on the boy and I'll video it, you know. Boy, FOOTA hype. You go on, man. We must hold it. Anytime we hold it, remember we are look for your boy, desert and them thing that on a bus in a pussy. We are hold you and video it. You see me straight. And make everybody see it on social media. But out there in the streets, I look for your pussy. Remember that. Straight.
No, Lucky, don't take it to joke, dog. A serious thing.
I FOOTA it up.
No,
FOOTA
me
it
need a bulletproof vest. We can't operate, son. Me have to move different now. Me have to move different because I don't know who is who. The way Jamaica full of Batman now. Me don't know who is who.
I know, me want to say it.
You understand what I say? Hurt and damage and harm from people from the LGBT community. This is going to cause a war in Jamaica. And me need protection. So FLA, Jamaica Constabulary Force, Jamaica Defense Force, I'm glad make my voice be heard. The LGBT community have yet to hear anyone who denounce this. Me not hear or say or have nothing to say about this. And it's public, it's on every platform, it's on YouTube, it's on WhatsApp, it's on Instagram. On a ear, I wanna play like on a deaf. If I did somebody send out that against an LGBT member, who would have run up long time, I hate crime, and violence against another human being, and this and that, me not hear or say nothing. Alright? So me just wanna know. As me land at Jamaica, me got the police station, me make a report. It's gonna be a stupid report because we don't know who it is, we don't know nothing. But me still have to make a report, a notification say my life has been threatened by the LGBT community within Jamaica, wherever in the world. You understand what I say? And I'll be going to the Ministry of Defense to have a talk with the Ministry of Security. Because I need to state my case. Also, I will be going to the Commissioner's office to state my claim, and also I will be going to the Firearms Licensing Authority because I need protection. The police can't protect me. Me are entertainer. Me have to go everywhere, go play music. Me need protection. Me need a shotgun. Me need a spin barrel. Me need a Glock. Me need a bulletproof vest. Me need a grenade. Me need a M16 or AR-15. Something. Me need protection. So me have a meeting with all of these entities because I am really scared for my life. I am really afraid. Remember say, one time a man I run, I'll jag a man in time and bat him and hold him and kidnap him and rape him. So it's not like it has never been done before. You understand? It has been done before. You understand? And I am scared. Because if them try for me, I'm going to end up kill myself. I'm going to chuck off a building and run out in a vehicle or something. You understand? Because me now get raped.
No, it's serious, but me not laugh.
I need for the Firearms Licensing Association, FLA, to look into this matter and see that I need protection. I definitely need a bulletproof vest and I definitely need arms. You understand? I need guns. See?
Guns.
Also, I need for the Right Honorable Miss Babsy Grange to know what is going on because I'm an entertainer and she is the Minister of Entertainment. You understand what I say? also me need for the commissioner to know what's going on. You understand what I say? On a big man level. Because this is a joke. And a joke. Something this, you know. This is a joke, something. And when they see them do that and say that about somebody like me, imagine somebody with a name. I look a regular person, then we are just, you understand? So it's a very serious thing. You understand what I say? Yeah. So it's very serious.
The voice note out there, for those of you who don't know, right? Of someone. First of all, let me say this. These people that are called public figures or entertainment people who everybody know, for famous, etc. FOOTA himself has dubbed himself as King Viral or Viral King or King of going viral, anything like that. And I've noticed that people will do anything to keep their name trending. What I'm saying is, could FOOTA very well be a part of this leak a voice note from somewhere else, let somebody leak it, and then pretend say he's a threat or he's being threatened and his life is in danger? Quite honestly, there's a possibility there. Don't get mad enough, FOOTA. You hear what I say? Quite honestly, there's a possibility there. Because remember one time you did do the Quiet Perry thing when name that they dead, the Pottinger, Dexter Pottinger, they did pass away, and FOOTA say a whole heap of thing, which had Quiet Perry in quite a quagmire. Yeah? So, hear what I say. There's a possibility that this could very well be that. I mean, anybody could make a voice note. We don't know if this voice note came from somebody in England, if it came from somebody in Canada, if it came from somebody in the US right where he is. But he is assuming that this voice note was done in Jamaica because of what was said in the voice note, right? Is he in danger? I've learned to not say someone is not in danger when they said they are in danger. Look at Kentucky Kid. He told us he was in danger. He showed us video that he was in danger, and they ended up killing him anyways, which proved to us that he was right all along. Look at Vybz Kartel. He told us that they were gunning for him, either his life or his freedom, and right about now anything can happen. We didn't believe. Look at where he's at now. Look at what happened. You know what I'm saying? It has happened countless times already where people ball out for help and nobody help, and then them end up get shagged anyway. So if FOOTA feel like I'm in danger, then for sure he's in danger. I hope all the people that he's talking about listen to him. Minister of Security, Horace Chang, Babsy Grange, Minister of Entertainment, Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of the country. This seems to be a LGBTQ versus straight person thing. Let me say something. FOOTA has always had problems with the gay community, right? He's a very outspoken anti-gay person, which he has all right to be. If a man feel like said they don't condone your lifestyle, or they feel like your lifestyle is being imposed upon them, they have a right to voice their opinion, just like how gay people have a right to voice their opinion when they feel that they're being cornered and they're being marginalized in society and they're not getting all equal rights like every other human being. Then them can talk up also, right? So FOOTA was well within his rights, but FOOTA's beef with the gay community has been well documented. So I don't understand how it took a voice note threat to make him finally decide, say, yo, him need protection. Because you're a public figure, and once you start speaking out against people and you're a public figure, especially people who are powerful, and believe me, the gay mafia is powerful, or the gay organization, they're powerful. There are some very powerful people that are quiet in the organization, but make sure the organization runs like a well-oiled engine. If you don't believe me, ask any person who has achieved some level of fame that slipped up and said something about the gay community. I've seen them go after people who said stuff years ago. Look at Buju Banton. He did a song at 19 years old called Boom Bye Bye. And now when Buju in his 40s, they still won't forgive him really for it. There are some people who says, well, we'll never forgive him, and others who says, he's moved on, we're moving on. But it stands, the threat still stands. Oh, that's him, he's the homosexual hater. He's the one that told people to shoot us. You know, and up to this day, even though some gates and doors have opened, but it's still never the same. So, once they found out what Boom Bye Bye was, it was a wrap. So they are very powerful. Some don't know how FOOTA never understand, say, like, him life would have come under threat at some point. But anyhow, somebody sent me a video yesterday of Shibada, she or him now make video about how him would have helped FOOTA take somebody D if yo, and him have to make sure say him beard and say him nice and clean when him go when, yo, so we have to take serious thing make joke. But anyway, here now, to be honest with you, I've received threats before, right? And I take no threat lightly. I am suggesting to FOOTA Hype to do exactly what you're doing. You spend a lot of time in a foreign. Make sure, say, I don't know how your legal status stay. You probably have your green card or citizenship or whatever, because it seems like you live here. So make sure, say, you also have legal firearm on you. That way when you bust it, you know, if you bust it and dash it away and run, that you can bust it and stand up and say stand your ground, and that's what I was doing. And I was defending myself, because these types of threats have been put out there against me, and I believe that this was one of the individuals. Make sure you can defend yourself. Yeah? In Jamaica, do the same thing. Go to the FLA, go fill out your paperwork, go pay your fees, get your license gun, and keep that at all times. All kind of something like that. Nobody make enough people know about say you have license gun too, because you have man down there where we lick you down just for the gun. I mean, I talk about lick you down with tongue. That yo, I have to take serious thing like joke. You know, honestly, if it was me, I wouldn't appreciate nobody a laugh still. Because serious thing, what is joke to you is death to me. You know what I say? But hear the voice note once again, people. Because and tell me if you think that FOOTA is definitely in danger, or this sounds like a gimmick. And we'll do a part 2 follow-up to this. Alright? Listen to the voice note again.
Mr. Dog, can't believe the bomber clad when I met the boy near FOOTA Hype get to a star. You know, say a candle and so what like that. Dog, what happened to him, dog? Sure, no star. I'm the outside. I wait for him to bring the ball come, make a run the batch up on the boy and I'll video it, you know. Boy, FOOTA Hype, you go on, man. We must hold it. Anytime we hold it, remember we are look for your boy, desert and them thing that on a bus in a pussy. We are hold you and video it. You see me straight. I make everybody see it on social media. But out there in the streets, I look for your pussy. Remember that. Straight.
Whoa! Alright, so leave your comment in the comment section below, you know. Tell me if you think that this is a serious threat, or if you think that somebody put this out there to keep themselves trending and is probably a part of this voice note. Tell me also if you really believe that, well, you don't have to really believe, because it does happen. There are enough bad man now in Jamaica who are Batman. And I've said that in videos before, and people cuss me and said there's no Batman in Jamaica, but I've seen a lot of them myself with my own eyes. If somebody did tell me, I wouldn't believe that they're that out and that open in Jamaica. But they are. They are that out and that open. And remember, I'm not taking no sides, because here what? This is one of the channels that says leave people, make them live them own life. And on my parts, them I do it with. So whatever they do in the confines of their privacy between two consenting adults is none of my business. You understand? But yes, they are out there. And they're out there like that in numbers, and some of them are real gunman, real bad man them. You hear me? Alright, it's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Tag FOOTA Hype another one here, and tell him to join the conversation, because me want to know what really go on here. So and what he really plans to do. For all we know, these people could be anywhere. And for all we know, this could be any one of us. I should talk more about the recent robbery. I believe it was in Montego Bay, where the man was robbed and a man get robbed and raped. This isn't the first time we've heard this. We've heard about men robbing houses before, home invasion and all this, and them going there, a man in there with them wife and picnic, and them rob the house and the man and left. The woman not get, the daughter not get it, the man of the house get it. So, and because of course this is something pretty shameful, especially for a heterosexual male coming from a Jamaican culture, you must understand how shameful this would be. So it's not like he's gonna come out and tell everybody, say, yes, them rob me house and then ride me off in there. They run train for me. So it is something that is really happening though. You know, and I think it is happening more than is being reported and more than it is being addressed or talked about. So talk up in the comment section, make we talk. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.